Mahayong buntag ka natong tanan. Our due respect to our Mayor, lapakan nato si Mayor Freddy Siao, atong Vice Mayor Wickwick, tanan mga councilors present, padayon ta, Asenso Iligano. Last week, ubay-ubay ning mga activities, but I just want to highlight some of the important engagements last week. Ako pala ni si Mayor na, no? We had our ICT digitalization harmonization with some of the departments last week in order for us to strengthen our effort for Smart City Iligan. We also had our budget forum together with the Regional Director of the Department of Budget and Management. Last week po, nagpaigahan kita og atong UNESCO Technical Working Group meeting at the Creative Digital Hub, reviewing our programs and plans for the 2027 UNESCO Assessment for Iligan City for Arts and Crafts. And last week, nag-meeting usap kita sa atong transition padulong sa Land Bank. So, we have a plan to shift to Land Bank for easier access of our employees to accounts and other services. Atong Sabado, for the first time in Region 10, nagpaigayon usap kita on our first ever drone training with the very first Iligan drone operators. And it's but important that there should be a ordinance that will be promulgated to regulate drone operations in Iligan City. Before I proceed, it's but proper and fitting to award our Philippine National Police for their accomplishments. Timing po kayo, karong adlaw, birthday po sa atong pinalangga na City Director, Sir Tambis. Palapakan nato si Sir Tambis, and as we call the names of our station commanders, akong gihangyo po lang atong mga city officials for the photo ops. In sincere recognition and commendation of the unwavering commitment, dedication, and relentless efforts in upholding peace and order, to the successful enforcement of laws against gambling, illegal drugs, and apprehension of wanted persons. Their continuous operations, intelligence work, and presence on the ground have greatly contributed to the safety, security, and well-being of the people of Iligan. Ako pong gi-announce kaninyo, 2 weeks ago, I was interviewed by the regional PNP. Kaya ang Iligan na sa top 3 cities in Region 10, marag isubmit to sa national in terms of the support that has been given by an LGU to PNP. So paabot na lang ta sa result ato, but the fact that Iligan is being selected as a top 3 city for peace and order, that's a milestone that we need to celebrate. And because of that accomplishment, ato pong i-recognize ang ato mga performing PNP who are here. Can we request the station commander of Station 1, Police Major Rodolfo Aranador Jr. Please come forward. I'd like to request Mayor and some of the city officials. We will be awarding our certificate of recognition to the station and a little of cash reward to the PNP station. Can we request Mayor, Vice Mayor, and City Councilors? Can we request also Sir Tambis to please come forward? Another recognition is given to Station 2 Commander, Police Captain Regan Adap. Actually, daghan kayo ni silang accomplishment. In the interest of time, di na lang nato tagsa-tagsaon. But if you notice, the crime rate in Iligan is very impressive. We're one of the most peaceful cities in Region 10. Now sa di Manginambo, pero our crime performance is better than Cagayan de Oro. Station 3 Commander, Police Major Rorie Tabuklin, please come forward, sir. Palapakan nato. Station 4 Commander, Police Captain Michael Angelo Roldan. Station 5 Commander, Police Major Neil Mark Kipanes. And Station 6 Commander, Police Major Rosariel Morillo. Palapakan nato silang tanan. All of them will receive our commendation coming from the Mayor. And And at this point, pwede ba ta mga tao, happy birthday to our City Director, City Director Tambis, okay ba? Can we request everyone to please stand up? This is our way of thanking City Tambis for a job well done for the past few months.